OnePlus's 30-watt warp charge technology is the best. Huawei's 40-watt supercharge is insane. But wait, let's change your perception today. Hey guys, this is Rupesh from bworm.com, and during my testing of the new Galaxy Note 10 Plus, one thing that really surprised me was the charging speed. I was like, whoa, this thing charges pretty fast. So I thought, why not compare it against others to see how truly fast the charging here is. Now before we talk about that, let me tell you that this video has been sponsored by the Volta cable, which is a cross-device magnetic cable that is super cool. I'll talk more about the Volta cable at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Now let's talk about the Note 10 Plus and its really cool charging speed. So the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is the fastest charging Samsung smartphone till date with support for 45-watt fast charging. Yeah, that's a massive upgrade. However, the bad news here is that the Galaxy Note 10 Plus only comes with a 25-watt fast charger in the box. But is that really bad news? Well, probably not, because we've tested out the 25-watt fast charger here and it's pretty surprising. So I did two charging tests with the 25-watt fast charger on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which has a 4300 mAh battery, alongside the OnePlus 7 Pro, which has a lower 4000 mAh battery and a faster 30-watt warp charger. So it is clear that the OnePlus 7 Pro has the upper hand here. Well, first up, I did a phone off 0 to 100% charging test, and well, here's how it panned out. Well, when I started charging these phones, both were pretty close at the start. Both the phones were at 10% after just 6 minutes of charging. Now both were at the same 15% after just 8 minutes. However, the Note 10 Plus started to get a lead after this. At the 15 minutes mark, the Note 10 Plus was ahead at 35%, while the OnePlus 7 Pro wasn't far behind at 33%. So I was hoping it'll catch up, but that did not happen. The Note 10 Plus hit the 50% mark in just 24 minutes, while the OnePlus 7 Pro was further behind at 44%. Now the Note 10 Plus continued to lead even after 45 minutes of charging. The Samsung flagship was at 84% and the OnePlus 7 Pro flagship was at 77%. And well, the lead was maintained even after 16 minutes. And the Note 10 Plus reached the 100% mark in just 68 minutes, which is really fast. While on the other hand, the OnePlus 7 Pro was at 93%. I mean, the Note 10 Plus slowed down from 90 to 100%, but it still beat the OnePlus 7 Pro, which took another 12 minutes to get to 100%. So the Galaxy Note 10 Plus gets the win here, and it is surprising because I was expecting the OnePlus 7 Pro with its fancy warp charge tech to win. So now the Note 10 Plus's 25-watt fast charger is pretty super fast. And think about the fact that this is the 25-watt charger we are talking about. The 45-watt fast charger should be even faster. Anyway, I did one more test with these phones, and I did a 10 to 100% charging test with the phones turned on. Well, in this test, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus took the lead straight away. After 15 minutes, the Note 10 Plus was already at 43%, while the OnePlus 7 Pro was at 37%. The lead was further widened at 30 minutes. The Note 10 Plus went to 72%. Yeah, that is super fast. While the OnePlus 7 Pro was behind at 61%. Yeah, that's a fairly big difference. Now moving on, at just 45 minutes, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus went to 94%. While the OnePlus 7 Pro was at 84%. Now like the previous test, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus took its time from 90 to 100%, but it got there at just 58 minutes. Yeah, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus goes from 10 to 100% in less than an hour, which I think is very impressive. The OnePlus 7 Pro, on the other hand, takes 1 hour and 13 minutes, and I think that's a pretty good difference. And this means the Galaxy Note 10 Plus with a bigger battery and a 25-watt charger beats the OnePlus 7 Pro that has a smaller battery and the much hyped warp charge tech. And you know what? The Galaxy Note 10 Plus's charging speed is a huge upgrade from the Galaxy Note 9, which took almost 2 hours to fully charge. Anyway, it's not just the OnePlus 7 Pro. The Note 10 Plus's 25-watt fast charger even beats the likes of the Pixel 3 XL, the iPhone XS. Let's not talk about that. In fact, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus's 25-watt charger is on par with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, which comes with an insane 40-watt charger and takes 1 hour 6 minutes to go from 0 to 100%. So remember how everyone says megapixels don't matter? Well, when it comes to charging, the watts don't matter. It's the technology underneath that matters. Yeah, you can quote us on this one. So Samsung has gone with the USB Power Delivery 3.0 technology and a USB-C to USB-C charger that's supposed to be safe and faster. So this is the reason the 25-watt charger here is faster than the 30-watt charger and comes close to the 40-watt chargers. Well, like we always say, it's the tech that matters. Now let me talk about the Volta magnetic cable, which is our sponsors for this video. So this is the Volta 2.0 and this is the one cable you need for all your devices. Here's how it works. It has a standard USB on one end and an open magnet on the other end, so you can turn it into a micro USB cable, a USB-C cable, or even a lightning cable for your iPhone. It is awesome. Plus there are so many cool features. First up, the cable here is tangle-free and military-grade strong. And secondly, this works like MagSafe. Volta 2.0 automatically detaches itself from the device when you trip on the wire. Plus it supports fast charging and has an LED indicator. Yeah, Volta is the one cable you need. Volta 2.0 is available for around $20 and rupees 1,300 in India, and BBOM subscribers can get a 15% discount by using the code BOOM15. So check out Volta 2.0 cable from the link down below. Well, to conclude things, the Note 10 Plus's 25-watt fast charger is really super fast. Anyway, what do you think? Do you think companies should stop hyping up the charger watts in their next launches? Well, tell us in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.